In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a virgin frozen strawberry daiquiri. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Hey, this is your girl Hidden Treasure. If you're new, listen, thanks for visiting the channel. So let's get into this video. Well, we are back in the kitchen again. Listen, I know we're in quarantine 2020. COVID-19 and all that stuff, but we can still have fun, right? So what I'm about to do, so you can have date night, right? With your husband or with your man or your boyfriend, or, if you're the guy, you're making it for your lady. However, I'm going to be making a strawberry daiquiri, a virgin strawberry daiquiri. I'm going to be using, see where it says non-alcoholic right there. Green, see, non-alcoholic. It is by Daiquiri, and it contains real fruit juice, right? This is really good. Okay, and then I'm gonna have the Ready Whip to make it look cute and fancy, right? And of course, it's gonna be a frozen strawberry daiquiri. And I have the good old ice here. I have my Ninja blender. Let's move this over. My Ninja blender right here that I'm going to put it in. Right? Cute little glass, Presentation is always nice. And of course, in order to drink the strawberry daiquiri, you would need some straws. And I know they're saying, you really shouldn't drink out of straws, but how would you drink a frozen drink without a straw? So I'm going to be using those. So follow me. So we're going to start with putting the ice in the blender, right? And it depends on how much ice you put in there of how many people you're serving, right? And I'm going to put a nice amount. Okay. Because we're going to chop it up anyways. So we put that in there. Let me just take this off so you can see. Okay, so this is the amount of ice that I put in the blender. Okay. You can see that. So, set the blender back onto the Ninja itself. What I'm going to do is open up the day leaf. Wow, it's kind of hard. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so I got that open. Again, it's daily. It's non-alcoholic. However, if you do want to have some alcohol in there, for those that drink, you would use rum. So you would put rum in your strawberry daiquiri, your frozen strawberry daiquiri, if you were drinking it with alcohol. But for the frozen virgin, I'm just going to open this up a little bit here with the knife, just to pour some in there. Now, I guess if you want to be politically correct, I can get a measuring cup, but I just normally go by eye. But since I'm doing a video, I'm going to pour some in here. I may pour about 2 cupfuls. So let's see. Okay, so that's one. And this is what it looks like, guys. So I'm going to pour that into here. Can you see it? So I'm just going to pour it in here. Yeah, I'm going to need some more. So then I'm going to pour another cup. Okay. I got another cup full. You see it? I don't want to waste it. So we're just going to pour that over the ice, right? And you see the ice is melting as I'm going to pour another like half cup. So like 2.5 cups. And that's what it's looking like, guys, right there. So I'm going to pour that in there. So, you know, if you want to be a little romantic with your boo and, you know, and doesn't have to be intoxicated, you can fix a virgin strawberry daiquiri, right? So you're going to shake it around a little bit. And then we're going to place the lid. I'm going to move this. We're going to place the lid on the blender, right? And we're going to turn it on. Now it's really loud, but I'm gonna show you. So I'm just gonna turn it on. And so the green light says ready. See where it says it's green right there. So let me just move. So I put 2.5 cups. So now it's looking like it's 4 cups, right? I put enough in for 4 cups. And I'm going to turn on the blender like so. I'm going to turn this off so you guys don't hear all that loud noise. And then I'll come back on when it's done, or when it's finished blending, okay? So that it's not so loud. But you see how loud it was. So just one moment. Okay, guys, it looks like we are frozen. Looks like it's frozen. So what I'm going to do now is just take this off, put the cup here, just twist this off. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, I had to add some more ice so that you can get that frozen consistency. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is pour this into the glass. And you see how it's frozen? Yeah, that looks good, right? I don't have the strawberries. I normally have strawberries to garnish the glass. Well, and let me get the other glass. Sit that right there. And let's pour. So yeah, if you're having a special date night in, or, you know, have family over, you can always have a cute drink, you know. It's a fruity drink, so, you know, most men be like, I don't know if I'm too manly to drink a nice frozen fruity drink, but you can think of it's like one of those frozen cherry drinks or Coke drinks. So what you're going to do when you poured it, so we're going to take like 2 straws, right? Sit it right there. Sit it right there. And we're going to use the Ready Whip, right? Shake it up a little bit. And we're going to make a cute little design right in the middle. And there you have it. Right? Isn't that pretty? Okay. And so this is what it looks like, the finished product, guys. Very pretty and very good. You'll see the pictures at the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed this video and may use this to incorporate it on your date nights. We have to be very creative now since we can't go out to dinner and all that. So you see, you can be fancy at home and make cute fancy drinks, you know, with dinner or just a good time. Candlelight or indoor picnic, just to give you guys a few little suggestions that you can do at home. We got to be creative and innovative. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button, guys. And turn on your post notifications so when I upload a video, you're made aware of it. Well, this is it for now. Thank you for watching. And I hope that you have a fantastic day, guys. Bye. Oh, wait, guys, there was some information that I wanted to let you know. So, see how we have some left over? We have some left over. So, what I'm going to do is put some in a pitcher, right? And then you put it in your freezer and you can freeze it for another time or for later or for, the next day. You don't have to drink the whole pitcher. That would be, well, I guess some people can, but no. So you're just going to pour this into your pitcher, right? And you're going to put the rest in the freezer. And you're going to put your blender, it's going in the sink for right now, but it's going to go in the dishwasher. And you're going to wash it. So yeah, you're going to put this in the freezer and freeze it for later. So you'll have some more to pull out. So it's just not a one-day thing. You can make it a one-day thing, but if you have some left over, yeah, just put it in a pitcher or even a container and just put it in your deep freezer and freeze it. And then when you get ready to have another drink, non-alcoholic virgin drink, or for the ones that drink, you can have a drink without having to go through everything again. But it's real easy and simple. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. So doesn't that look really good? That looks really good, guys. And it tastes good as well. So guys, remember the canvas painting that I got from Burlington that I wanted to put in the kitchen? So here it is in that spot right above the stove. It says, "Faith, it does not make things easy, it makes them possible." And that was taken from Luke 1, chapter 1, verse 37. Faith, it does not make things easy, it makes them possible. So yeah, what do you guys think? This is it. Up above my stove and under my cabinets. So yeah, there you have it. I like it right there. And you see that it goes with the color scheme, right? All right. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.